Welcome back, y'all. This is Big Pat the Fit MD, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we're going to discuss the pull-up. The pull-up is the single best overall back workout to work out your back effectively. This is because there are a lot of muscles in your back, and a lot of the back exercises, they only focus on a few of them at a time. When you do the standard pull-up like I'm doing right now, it's working all the muscles in unison. They're working together, they're firing at the same time, they're using your biceps as an accessory muscle, and it's training your brain to effectively use your back. So whether you're a bodybuilder, a CrossFitter, or you're just trying to stay in shape, this is the best way to build strength in your back, is to just do a standard pull-up. And this exercise is often overlooked in the gym because I guess it's an old exercise. It's not cool looking and that sort of thing. And a lot of people have a hard time doing it because it's hard. Some bodybuilders I know who are jacked, I mean, they're huge, swole from head to toe, can't even do like 5 pull-ups. And this is because they're like 250 to 300 pounds. And when you're doing an exercise like this, you're pulling up, your body weight. So that's why it's probably it's a very effective exercise because, you're pulling against a lot of resistance. And that resistance is your own body weight. So the heavier you are, the harder it's going to be for you to do a pull-up. That being said, you don't need to add additional weight to the pull-up. All you need to do is to do a lot of repetitions. So if you could do 20 reps, that's a very, very intense workout. What I'm doing right here is called the chin up. And the reason why it's called a chin up and not a pull up is because the palms of my hand are facing my face. And when you vary the grip like this, you're working out your biceps and your forearms more so than your back. You're still working out your back, but to a lesser degree. Also, when you're doing a chin up, you're grabbing the bar shoulder width apart or a little bit outside of shoulder width apart. When you're doing a standard pull up, in contrast, you're a little outside of shoulder width apart. With the chin up, if you choose an even closer grip work where you're gripping the bar right in front of your chin, you're working out your biceps and your forearms even more. Again, if your palms are facing your face, you're working your biceps more. If your palms are facing away from your face, then your forearms are working more. Also, the closer your hands are together on the bar, the more strain is going to be on your wrists. The further away your hands are away from the bar, the more your shoulders are under stress. You're going to see with time and experience as you do this exercise more and more, how your back muscles are going to feel when you're varying your hand stances. Now, I'm going to take a wider grip of the bar on this rep. And what that's going to focus on is my latissimus dorsi muscle. And that's the muscles on the side of your back, which is your back. But it's going to accentuate the fibers on the side of your back. And it's going to give you that V taper. Okay, that's that illusion like where your back is narrowing out into your waist. And, your upper body, it makes your upper body looks wider than your lower body. And a lot of people aspire to have that shape because it makes their waist look narrower and makes them look skinnier. So this is a really, really good exercise to achieve that look. So don't skip this because it's really, really important. All right. For beginners, try to do 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps or whatever you could do. I would try the chin up first because it's easier to do than the standard pull up. If beginners are still having a hard time doing pull ups, try to train with this exercise called the lat pull down, like where you're only pulling like a third of your body weight. Start off with that until you get a lot stronger, and then the pull up is going to get a lot easier to do when you attempt to do it again. When you're able to pull about half your weight on the lat pull down, then you know it's time to do the pull up. This, I believe, is called an incline pull-up, and because you're not pulling up your entire body weight, it's a lot easier to do than the standard pull-up. And if you're a beginner and you're having a hard time doing pull-ups, doing this exercise will train the necessary muscles to be stronger so that you'll be able to do a pull-up eventually, similar to the lat pull-down. So, because of the coronavirus pandemic that's affecting our entire planet, I know everyone doesn't have access to a gym. So, right now, doing calisthenics like the pull up is essential to staying in shape. I hope I didn't freak anybody out with the wearing masks in this video, but it was necessary to maintain social distancing. So that'll do it, y'all. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.